Sometimes heartbroken is the easiest way to achieve what you are looking for in this life. You see that thing you are looking for, heartbroken is the easiest way to achieve what you are looking for in this life. If you are somebody wey be say you are still feeling heartbroken, bro, you are blessed. If you be woman, you are blessed. I no go lie for you, let me explain to you. Heartbroken can come in different ways. Number one, heartbroken can come through losing your parents. Maybe your mother and your father, you lose them, only you remain. You know, gay. If you look back like this, you no go see anybody again. It's number one of heartbroken. It's part of heartbroken. If you find yourself in such a situation, you are blessed. It's a very big sign that, bro, you need to make it in life. If you have not make it in life, keep hustling, keep pushing, you must surely get there. Number two, sending money to somebody and you don't see the money again. You send money to somebody, say, please help me get this thing. Unfortunately, you don't get that money again. It's part of heartbroken. I'm telling you, bro. You see, if something like that happens to you, it did not happen in vain. It happens for a reason. It happens for a reason. It's a very big lesson that you need to learn something from it. Number three, relationship. Girlfriend, boyfriend. Your girlfriend break up with you, cheat on you. Before you know it, you started feeling pain. That pain will be feel is the sign that, bro, you need to use that pain to transport yourself to another level. That level where you dey is not normal for you. You need to push with the pain and enter another level. Number four is if you are working with somebody, unfortunately the person start maltreating you bad. It's a very big sign of pain. Somebody like me, if something like that happens to me, I already know. So even if because of that, I will take risky, and that risky will push me to another level. Somebody like me, I will take risky because of the pain that will comes to me when I am working with somebody. The person will maltreat me, treat me bad. The pain will push me to another level. So if you find yourself that you are still feeling heartbroken, you are blessed, bro. You are blessed. Check yourself. That thing you think you need, that thing you are hustling for, that thing you are working for, that thing you are struggling to get, you see that thing, immediately you have heartbroken, it's very easy to achieve that thing. Whether it's making money, whether it's whatever in this life. If somebody treats you bad, the only way, maybe for example now, somebody fights you, without heartbroken, you cannot fight the person back. But with heartbroken, you will fight the person back and still win. Many people will not understand this. With heartbroken, you will still fight and still win. If you don't have heartbroken, you cannot do it. But immediately you have heartbroken, bro, anywhere you want to go in this life, whether you want to travel to abroad without money, you can do it and still survive. The easiest way to travel abroad, to travel to a country where you don't know before, the easiest way to travel to those countries is when you have pain in you, when you are feeling heartbroken. Maybe for example now, in my own side, for where I come from, if somebody insults you, say you no get money, it's a very big pain to the person, and because of that word alone can push the person to go and make money. Another thing you will see is that the person have make it because of the pain. As I did like this, if something pain happens to me, I know they regret, because it's another opportunity. As I did like this, so if I'm weak, the only thing that can push me, that can motivate me, that can let me transport me to another level is only pain. Sometimes I will be weak, you understand, to the level that even if you ask me to do something, I cannot do that thing. But immediately I feel pain. Immediately I feel like, maybe for example, this guy is now disrespecting me because of this. Bro, if I say I will go, I will go. Because of that pain, if I say I will go, I will go. If I say I will sleep outside, I will sleep outside. If I say I will travel, I will travel. Any decision that comes from me, that moment, I must surely do it and succeed. That is the help of pain. So if you are passing through any pain now, you are blessed. You are blessed. Just ask yourself this one question: what did you need? If you need money, that pain will lead you to get the money and come back. You see that money that is hanging somewhere, that pain will push you, transport you, throw you. You will grab the money and still come back successfully. Whatever you think you need, whatever you think that is your problem, that heartbroken will lead you to that place. You will succeed, achieve those things you want, and still come back. You may not understand this now. You may not understand this, but let me tell you, before I end this video, I want you to understand that pain is an energy given to every man to use it to become whatever he or she wants to become. If you are not successful and you are not passing through pain, you will not make it. You will not make it. If you don't know what is pain, you will not make it. Especially if nobody have worked for you. Maybe, for example, your mother don't have money, your father don't have money, and you are not facing pain. You are not facing pain, something pain. You will not make it. Go and check people that don't make it. They are not facing anything pain. You that is seeing the vision of the success, progress, check the pain that you are feeling. Now that pain they push you. If not the pain, you will become useless. You will not understand the value of pain. If you need more, information about this, just write information on the comment section. You understand? I will reach out to you. If you need more experience on how you can use your pain to achieve your common goal, just drop I am interested on the comment section. I will help you. See you on my next video. One love.